Hey, thanks for joining me today in the 3G kitchen. We're going to be cooking chunky potato soup with ham and bacon in the Instant Pot. Let's get to it. I'm going to turn the Instant Pot to Saute mode. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into our pan. We'll just wait for it to get hot. Well, that lets us know that our Instant Pot is hot enough for sauteing, so we're going to go ahead and add our 1 medium chopped onion. We're just going to let this cook down for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, so now I'm going to add 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, eighth a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 2 tablespoons of parsley flakes. I'm going to put in my steamer basket. I'm going to add 8 cups of diced potatoes. These are diced to about half an inch in size. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put my lid on. Rotate my lever to sealing. And since we're still in saute mode, I need to push off, and I'm going to do a manual time at high pressure, and I'm going to set it for 4 minutes. Well, the timer started. That means it's come up to temperature, and it's going to start counting down, and then it'll go into keep warm mode. So I'll see you back in 4 minutes. Our time has expired, and it's gone into keep warm mode. We're going to let it sit for 5 minutes, and then we're going to do a quick release on it. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel on here, and I'm going to rotate the seal to venting. All right, all the pressure has gone in our pot. You can see that the pressure indicator has fallen down, so we can go ahead and remove the lid. I'm going to put the Instant Pot here on slow cook mode. What we want to do is just dump all of these potatoes into the liquid below from the strainer basket. These silicone gloves are excellent, very heat resistant. So we dump those in there, get rid of the strainer basket. Now I'm going to add to the Instant Pot 3 ounces of cubed cream cheese. And to this, I'm going to add, this is 5 cups of cubed ham. This is great for leftover ham for holidays like Christmas and Easter. I have 1 cup of frozen corn, 2 cups of chicken broth, and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Now you can use half and half here, or you can even use milk. You'll just notice it's a little thinner. Now if you do make it with milk and it's too thin, what you could do is take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of cold water and mix those together and then add it to the soup. And that'll give you a little bit of thickness there. I'm just going to give this a stir, and we're just going to allow this to heat through now, and that'll take probably about 5 to 10 minutes or so. Okay, so it's heated through now, and right now there are still some of those chunks of cream cheese in there, and I actually kind of like that. But if you didn't like it, you could let it heat through more, and it'll dissolve more as it sits. But we'll go ahead and scoop this out now. Give it a little stir here. And I really like this, topped with some cheese, and you can just never go wrong with bacon. Well, that's our meal, chunky potato soup, and I hope you have a great day, enjoying great food from a great God.